Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to Tech Zone in my first video ever on YouTube. In this special video, I am going to unbox my new friend AKG Perception 120 microphone. It is an XLR microphone, not a USB one, so it will be going in on a Focusrite iTrack Solo, which I'll unbox in some minutes. Without further ado, let's start this unboxing. In the front, we have its quick features, and a quick peek of the microphone. Same things on all sides. On the base we have same features, a quick interface guide of the microphone, some specifications, brandings, etc. I'm really excited, so let's open this baby up. Oh yeah. On the top we have a AKG logo sticker, advertisement or whatever, the user manual, warranty card, and finally the last paperwork, a poster. Now get ready for the main part. Boom, there is the microphone. It feels quite heavy. Let's keep this aside and take a look at the stand adapter. It is also quite heavy. Now let's take a look at the microphone. We have branding, the more switches, the XLR output. Okay, now let's unpack the iTrack Solo. The first thing we get here is iPad interface cable. The next is a USB cable. Let's keep this thing aside and take a look at the real hero. And there it is. It feels so premium. Finally, paperwork, which contains some precious details, so I'm not going to show you. Now let's set up these things. First of all, grab your stand adapter and screw it to the stand. Now do the same to your microphone. Plug one end of the XLR cable to the microphone. Now for the interface, first download the driver from its website, then install it, then connect one end of the USB to the back of the interface and another to your PC. Once this is done, you will see the lights glowing. Now plug the another end of the XLR to the interface and power it up by pressing the 48 volt button. Control the gain so it doesn't go to red. Thus, this was for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Subscribe.